let's just do a square because we need a square for this. So if you're making any brush, what I like to do is I like to change the background color to black. That way I can see what I'm doing. Because when you make a brush, you need to invert it anyways, because you have to do the opposite color of whatever it's gonna be. So if it's not gonna come out the way you want it to. So let's see. So we're making a stamp brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make let's make a smiley face. Alright, do something silly like that. Alright. Ooh, I got a lot of brushes. Okay. Okay. I need something for inking. Alright. Yes. Let's use a technical pencil. You can always change. I actually like this dry ink marker because. Alright. So I'm gonna make a circle. But it needs to be in white so you can see it. Alright, let's do white. Bigger. Alright, so whenever you make shapes, you just hold down for a second and then you put your finger here and it'll make a perfect shape for you. So we have this one. Stick right there. Let's try again. I think I might erase that. Let's see. Eraser. Just fix it a little bit. Alright. We need a smiley face, so we need some eyeballs. Let's do an eye. You need to merge all of these onto one layer, merge down. And what I do, I put copy. Alright, so now it's time to make a brush. What I'm gonna do, where are my brushes? So I have some stamp brushes I've already made. Where are they? Right here. So I'm gonna make a duplicate of that brush. Call it something else, not Alabama outline. We'll see. Alright. So we go down to shape, edit, import. So you can import a photo, you can import your own file, and Procreate also has like the source library where you can choose whatever like halftones, all these other different aspects of that you can use, but we're not doing that today. It's just some options if you want to use them. Alright, I'm gonna push paste because I'm pasting my own art into here. Look at that, so beautiful. And you push done twice. 1, 2. Alright, and now I can make a stamp. Isn't that cool? Alright, so when we have a stamp, we can kind of mess around with the settings. Alright, so jitter, it kind of separates all the shapes, but if you wanted to come out kind of like scattered, so you would use this for like a spray paint type brush or a maybe a shader or something like that, but we don't want any jitter because we just want it to make one shape. We don't want it to be like so yeah. Alright, so we don't really, the only thing we really need to mess with is shape and maybe name it. So let's name it Mr. you can kind of test it out. So I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. So let's see. Okay, Mr. Smiles here. You can make him small, you can make him big, try it out. There's another thing you also need to look at is, where is it? The size. So if you want it really, really tiny or really big, it just depends on how big you want the brush to be able to go. So you can kind of mess with that here, and you can mess with the opacity, which I don't really see the point of doing that, but yeah. So say you want the maximum size. So this size here will be the biggest that you can put it on your little scale when you go into Procreate. So I always like to keep this pretty large, just so people have options. And minimum size is what's the smallest it will be. So small it like that. I mean, I think that's fine. Yeah. Okay. So that's how you make a brush.